I told y'all, bro. I told y'all boys. We're gonna be dropping videos consistently. You did. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Share this video. Hopefully y'all get some little bit of knowledge out of this video. Speaking of knowledge, I need y'all to pick up what I'm about to put down real quick. You hear me? Dig this. Let's say I gave you $1. Let's say I gave you $1. You went to the store, you bought 2 things for 50 cents. And spent it all in one place. You feel me? I don't know if y'all hear me back there.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Cause if I don't tell you, who gonna tell you? I'm trying to help y'all out. If I don't tell you, who gonna tell you? Cayenne pepper is only hot if you taste it twice. Hey, y'all better hey, I shouldn't have to tell you nothing else. I shouldn't have to tell you nothing else. You hear me, bro? Anywho, from all the game I was spilling, you know what I'm saying? Somebody gotta tell you. Today, what we're gonna be doing today is me trying to mount my radiator. I got 2 of these. I got 1 of these. I'm gonna get the bending and whatnot. See, my ideal is I'm gonna use this existing hole, create another hole right here or something, bend it up, and then bend it straight back, and then bend it up again, then bend it back. Try to make it a little nice. I'm gonna do probably 2 of them right here. So I'm about to get straight to work, you feel me? I'm gonna put this video on like a little time lapse or whatever. So I'm trying to get this done. So stay right there. As y'all see, I got 1 done finally. I'm kind of proud of myself. I ain't never really made nothing, you know what I'm saying? I know it's small to some people, it might be small or whatever, but it's a small step to, like, you know, doing it is different. I know I drop motors in, I get them started, I do all that extra stuff. Can do all that with the motor, but I ain't really made brackets and stuff like that. This stuff is pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? I'm low-key happy about it, you feel me? So I got 1 done. I'm gonna get this one painted black, paint this boat black and all that. I wish I could have used these existing holes, but they were too far, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, now it's time to get the other side, and we'll be able to knock 1 more thing off the list. So let me go ahead and get that side finished, and then I'll cut y'all back on. Well, finally got this side done. Look how good that looked though. It ain't that big of a deal. Well, it kinda is, not for real. Cause it's pretty easy to make. You just do a couple bends and a couple this and that, and done. So finally got that done, so I can check that off the list. Still gotta paint them and whatnot. That ain't gonna take no time. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna get this ECU mounted real quick. Get that done. Today is a new day, of course, but I remember what I was supposed to be doing. So let's get to mounting up this ECU real quick. Shouldn't really take that long, I hope. You know how it go when you say something not gonna take too long and then it end up taking like 5 hours. So it's nothing special. I believe in a separate video I showed you guys where I was mounting the ECU, which was right back there. And you just take out the stock bracket for the ECU and whatnot. This pretty much will slide right in there. That's how the ECU gonna be sitting in there. It's clean in my eyes because, you know, this thing is gonna be going right there or whatever. Oh, I was looking for this. Crazy what you find. But yeah, that's gonna be going right there, so that's gonna be blocking everything. Of course it's upside down, whatever. So next is clean up this. That is my switch 12. I'm gonna take off. I tried to come from the distributor right there and put a inline fuse, but now I'm gonna take that inline fuse, delete that wire completely, and then add it to that, tuck that somehow, put it on there, loom it up. Pretty much call it a day with that. So then we're gonna have inside the cab, other than mounting this fuse block, we're gonna have inside the cab pretty much complete. Got that situated. As you can see, there's no longer no wire hanging across from right there. I gotta go to somewhere, get some sheet metal, try to make me a bracket for that. I kinda wanna bend some sheet metal somehow, some way, and make it sit like this. Yeah, we knocking things off the list, left and right, you know. I don't know if you have to see it. The OBD port and the factory location. Give y'all a better look at what I got going on. Right there. Gotta just tie those wires up, and that's pretty much it. Soon we're gonna be finished, you know. They say just do a little bit every day, and eventually, you know what I'm saying, just a little bit every day, and eventually you're gonna be finished. As long as you're making progress. Slow progress is still progress, as long as you're going forward. You wise talk with T, or whatever you want, you know what I'm saying. I know what I really need to get that throttle cable on. When you trying to get that part out, you underneath, you inside the cab, twisting and turning and all that, trying to get that out, boy, I don't know if it's just me, but that throttle cables be having me rethink, like, why am I even doing this? I'm in the Midwest, so it's cold, my hands freezing, I'm trying to pinch this thing, I'm trying to use needle nose, all that, and it just won't budge. At this point, I got both sides cut off pretty much, because I can't break it for it to come out, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna probably get at another shot, get the throttle cable on here. I have to wait for my relays and all that to come in. Upper and lower radiator hose, might try, gotta go figure that out. Dang, this camera heavy, boy. I do not know how y'all be doing this. Y'all just be out here carrying around this heavy old camera. I switch hands. It's a little workout. I'm real close on this car. I'm super close. Really ain't gotta do too much. Probably gotta see if my stock drive shaft gonna fit. Hopefully that fits. So we can at least get it rolling or whatever, so I can get the exhaust made on the car and all that. Power steering hose, gotta get that figured out. Let me know what overflow coolant tank y'all using, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna use the factory one because I feel like it's ugly and that it'd take up a lot of space right there if I put it back right there. I kinda wanna hide something and put it right here, because there's like a ton of space right there. I kinda wanna do that. That's gonna pretty much be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be tackling some more wiring and tightening up all the little stuff, and I'll be answering some of the questions that you guys had asked in previous videos or whatever. So if you're new, don't be afraid to comment, like, or subscribe. Ain't nobody judging you over here, so don't be afraid. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.
And I can't let them have my mind, no way. I was on some different shit, I went my own way. Told my mama wipe them tears, it's gonna be okay. Made it from the bottom to the top, now I can't see the hate. Why they talking on my life like I won't make it? I'm too busy counting cheese while I'm getting faded. I won't say a word and these niggas still gon' hate me. And I ain't going to no club unless they tryna pay.